And then once I should go against Hearts of Folk, when you're man of the match, the guy said, could you Dramani, Black Galas is listed by him. I was one of the few people saying, no, I disagreed with that. And eventually, when you call up, who call it, so I call the final squad name. But Kotoko, so far, if Kaka Omuno, then they show quite the be out of episode matching.
Well, me that's a question. Media supporters. Some Bobo na like supporters nation crying, and my coaches are no media or coffee by because me na meaning that say I will come to Kotoko because me boy have season pay or Olympics, but coach Edgy Enya Jidebu say like I'm the right person for the job, so. My supporters and my coaches now, and mommy crying say I have to do more for them.
Now, send a coach kind of they're now unfortunately the only coach as a Pampoku, but they are strikers. But if I say one really this striker, it won't be one. I say, would you need your meeting? I am at him.
Media won't be any medium. Some will become my bed. Mubed, maybe my show beshe. Team ni in a pay. There's a team in Korea also play now when you and opportunities be about who can be. So Amoah no so dey me ni say omuna become a man so cry at Oba no so ba we shall no so ba share because you hear more goals. Se me na say dem be me man sha ono no be share ono an sha me na be share nti Amoah no so me ni agi pass Amoah.
Apply wa me ha ma menwe e me ha ma menwe Albert e me ha ma menwe why Seraph Albert, every Eugene Koran and Open Soul Radio. Wednesday, team need BA for media interaction with the players and the technical team. Nzana Nigeria, that announced Bobo Sigo Nigeria, Magana. Togo, sorry, Magana. Oba, one of the most controversial semi-bar Joseph ABLORH semi can say, proper striker be our had to folk no Bobo Guinea near the it was the talk of town. No BA Kasa. And Momo players before this game now, Sansem ne buy. Oba now beti then I cost because coach no shiam 1-on-1. Mwankasa players ni komo be na na mudidi mo because na unse Kelvin Osesibe ono na ni abrewo so pa ba bia fe bia no gina. En komo ben ana cost wo mu.
Well, me de se oba campo na coach kwa botimi witness me obi abene na antipa ya ABLORH. And me kwa na I say ye bo match ni wie ya be committee as media ma player ba ko bi no ka say na Albert na unko hu ABLORH dia waka na me say o media me hu ye no de chem me say boy we well ABLORH they are a very good player even training grounds on India bro so nti ye hu ye say ya ye de on fan chen nti media o kan de na me enhye da nyem hu because onim de o kan.
Well, over 60% of Kumasi Asante Kotoko goals in Unkwana Washe. It's a team be a target for the coach. Because it looks like say Uteki Albert out of Kotoko team. The scoring opportunity of Kumasi Asante Kotoko is limited by over 65%. Emma pressure and also whilst we call games are knowing say Obia a target for all the teams. Umake Albert out of a game, Kotoko's chances of scoring is very limited.
Well, you see, I can't book with him now, and I'm young as every day. Pressure and damage because I'm more every day. Piano, boy, you can do it. Coach, you your best friend. Only should come or camp cross frame. Albert, Bibiani and Abutre like. But two for Banisana, all player and say I'll do it or did you? And he said, like, we feel say like pressure be our also because we will be our witchy, be our support too.
Okay. Albert, congratulations for the goal. In fact, Mama Kumasi I did because and then yes, and can yes, and can be hard such chance in first half na unya no I think it was almost 1-on-1 with the goalkeeper meaning as a asibe be clear ball no now we are surprised from nowhere now because I say ujina so check akra.
Well, media mean because na me say maybe we me mistake ni dey say they say me check me home and I say come the ball in back left side.
Okay.
Na ma block it. But me say me take you on a me shake keep on normal place. But we are there.
Okay.
We
say we now don't say a good year. We say it was a clear scoring opportunity. My second question: how do you feel because we almost gave the one of the match to ASB? One son now we striker, and then we now one way the other. And say one, and I'm strikers and I'm maninya that man of the match, and we didn't think of an eye. As a sign, how do you feel about that?
Like you don't have to give up. Like life, you need to work out 1 minute to and I can do something with it. So media, I don't give up in my life. So when you say I can't seconds crana and coupon all the be able to me change.
Please take the microphone. The microphone is okay. Well, let's then
Albert, congrats. Medine Imano Akuma FM. Last season with Olympics, if I understand to be correct, he scored. Some country national. What's 8 goals, 6, right? 5 goals. This season, about 13 matches. What's 7 in the league, 2 in the FA Cup, 9 matches beyond the OEL Olympics. No, Oba Kodokono, one as a person, and yes, now catch your home. And what have you been doing at training? Emma performing so well. No, then Boame, only Kelvin Parkin, so anything.
Well, we see very simple. Olympics about Kotoko. Well, first of all, me dem say dem ma coach because me dey na man dan say me kai say me ba Kotoko. Only me coach mo I think SHS. Regionals. No coach him that was mbona me me for that. And me koye bibi ma mo red card on one ogine mu na mo red card if you so am the boy. So uni mi ache. Nti me ba Kotoko ni na me say sene waji me di na akofo ma ba no. Ni say man ni sase form. So in training grounds Ubem say me oba training me no see me so because he knows me when he meet me he say me ye bibi na say nya o di see me super but me so me say no nejuma on no akofo ma ba so I have to listen to him.
And only Kelvin, how was the fight?
Yeah, very good. Up and down, hop. It's only now so what? Until Uber maybe we taking on no at 29. No, he born every. Yeah, into only the from why I'm a very tough time, man.
So, but because only defend the Western I had in power season. So,
well, every be more aggressive.
Okay, Albert.
Kelvin will take the last one.
Albert, congratulations for scoring in your first Super Clash, because this is the biggest fixture on the Ghanaian calendar. Albert, you are receiving the praises, but there is a big gap at Kotoko. The last time Kotoko played the Golden Boot Award in the Ghana Premier League, if my memory serves me right, I think it was Makwekwe. Since that time, no player from Kotoko and officially with me winning the Golden Boot after a season. Very good for Kotoko. There have been some 3 players they came, they nearly won that award. Going into the game and into the season, what's the approach? Say a player from Kotoko should win the Golden Boot after a season, and how are you working towards that? Because Team Kotoko should always produce someone who is a goal poacher after a season. Bet.
Well, me so media is like me were family more obia person me she. And then no and mommy like encourage me say like I can do it because who go training grounds especially boy no chumu like your word na shego who she be obia can say you can do it wait me aje where they are go kin the hair one but so mommy encourage me say meet me I work towards that and me very focused say meet me aje.
Right, congratulations once again, dog. Congratulations.